My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 MG5. This vehicle has done just over 7,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio, navigation, and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we press car and go into comfort and convenience, we have advanced features such as follow me home and find my car. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have heated seats, our AC, and if we press our mode button, we can switch between sport mode, normal, and eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.